If your iPhone 14 Pro Max won't turn on, there are several troubleshooting steps you can try to resolve the issue. Charge your iPhone. Connect your iPhone to a power source using the original charging cable and adapter. Let it charge for at least 15 to 30 minutes, then try turning it on again. Check the charging cable and adapter. Ensure that the charging cable and adapter are functioning properly. Try using a different cable and adapter if available to rule out any issues with the charging accessories. Force restart your iPhone. To force restart your iPhone 14 Pro Max, quickly press and release the volume up button. Then quickly press and release the volume down button. Finally, press and hold the side button until you see the Apple logo appear on the screen. Check for software updates. If your iPhone has sufficient battery power, connect it to a Wi-Fi network and check for any available software updates. Go to Settings, then General, and tap on Software Update to see if there are any updates available for your device. Restore your iPhone using iTunes or Finder on macOS Catalina and later. If your iPhone still won't turn on after trying the above steps, you may need to perform a restore using iTunes or Finder. Connect your iPhone to a computer with iTunes or Finder. Install, then follow the instructions to initiate a restore. Keep in mind that this will erase all data on your iPhone, so be sure to back up your device beforehand if possible. Contact Apple support. If none of the above steps resolve the issue and your iPhone still won't turn on, it may be experiencing a hardware problem. In this case, it's best to contact Apple support or visit an Apple store or authorized service provider for further assistance and possible repair options. By following these troubleshooting steps, you should be able to diagnose and hopefully resolve the issue with your iPhone 14 Pro Max not turning on.